We have a group of people that have decided to come in this area and say bad things about the oil and gas sector. These people are in the communities. You find them carrying placards saying that stop ECOP. You find them carrying placards saying that oil and gas is bad, trying to discourage the process.
Ashoborera ngo ibigambo nkebi nibishishe nkwatanisa iri hagati y'ihanga hamwe n'ibitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirikwenda kutasente mu mashita g'ihanga.
Some of these activities are having a bad impact on our partners abroad.
Bigambe bi Ernest Bondo abigambira hamukoro ogwo kushoza ba driver abamaziro bwire nibatende kuko baravuze ibimotoke bihango kandi abatendekirwe ekitongore ekya Sinok.
I think the people who have been trained here, you are now in a very good position to meet that person and say, but if this project is bad, how come I have been able to get this license? And using this license, I have been able to get this job. If this has not come, how would I have got this opportunity?
Uri mwezi wa mkuru w'ekitongore ekya Sinok Uganda Limited Mapixin asimire obukama bwa bunyoro abwenkwatanisa nungi retiri babasa kutendeka ba driver barikwingana 29 okurwo mwaka gw'2021.
It's not just about learning to drive. It is about acquiring a crucial skill that will serve you throughout your life. The dedication, discipline, and commitment you have shown throughout this program are truly commendable.
Ogwe yonjere yashobora ngo ekitongore ekya Sinok Uganda cyiriho kurebeka ngo cyagira itafari ericyatahantunguka ya Uganda bujuru kurabiro mu ntekateka zitari zimwe na zimwe.
Uganda Limited is energy for a better future, and our mission is implementing high quality projects, enhancing value creation, and promoting talent development. Sinok Uganda Limited has been committed to Uganda's national content developments. For example, more than 150 contractors have been trained, and we have also conducted various capacity development and training programs.
Uringanzi y'obukama bwa bunyoro Andrew byakutaga tenyi umubutuma bwahire Alex Katshabe uri umuhandiki mukuru w'obukama bwa bunyoro asimire ekitongore ekya Sinok abwenkwatanisa nungi n'obukama bwa bunyoro.
To attend today's event, which marks the graduation of the heavy goods vehicle drivers training program, and it was conducted by UDISA and supported by
Ashrafu Bagada urabiro mukutendeka oku asimire company niemwe ya Sinok abo kutekateka ahamyeto ya bunyoro.
But we request absorption into Sinok Uganda and other oil and gas sector companies.
Makuraga gasha kwa gada saba wa Sky TV ya Genshonga Hoima.